Hey y'all, it's Chelsea, aka HerTruestForm, coming to you with another video. Hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell. Let's get it.
It's your hair, do it your way, but this is my little demonstration on how easy. I decided this time not to lift my roots. I just didn't feel like it was beneficial the last time, besides giving me a little more volume. And I already have a TWA, teeny weeny afro. It's gonna be teeny weeny no matter what I do. So in order to preserve the style for maybe another day, and that is more water, in order to preserve the style for maybe another day, I decided not to lift. But you see how easily it just comes back to life. Like, you saw it. Mushed and all, you saw it. So, like I say all the time, you can either do your edges or not. I do have a few baby hairs around the edges, so, I don't know. Do I want to today? Do I have time? I got 5 minutes. Hold on.
Do it your way, but this is my little demonstration on how easy. Okay, and this lasted me the last time about 4 days, 5 days give or take. The last day I did wear an afro. I kind of picked it out and wore an afro, but I decided this time, like I said, not to lift my roots, to give it a little more shelf life. Okay.